What's up YouTube? Samsung is about to destroy the competition with the Galaxy S22 series. There's some really interesting information that I can't wait to share with you guys. We're gonna talk about an exclusive S22 Ultra leak, a superior cooling system, the highest peak brightness ever on a smartphone, and much improved charging technology. So Samsung is first gonna launch One UI 4.1 exclusively on the S22 series, and that leak also confirms Samsung's naming scheme. It's gonna be the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, not the S22 Note, and it's said to have a new feature that'll give a supernatural handwriting experience with the S Pen. This leak is coming from Htech, and his sources claims the S Pen on the S22 Ultra is gonna have a 2.8 millisecond latency. That's a pretty much instant response from the S Pen to the display. It's 3 times faster than the 9 milliseconds latency on the Note 20 Ultra, and it's gonna feel just as good or even better than writing on paper. It's gonna be the fastest, most realistic S Pen ever. Samsung is also gonna offer 12-bit HDR technology on the S22 Ultra's main 108 megapixel sensor, and that is significantly gonna increase the vivid colors in videos and photos up to 64 times. It's gonna be the first phone to do this, and it's gonna be better than the 10-bit HDR technology on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. For now, the feature is only gonna support 30 frames per second at Full HD or 4K resolution. Now, according to Anthony, the cooling system on the S22 Ultra is going to be a massive upgrade over the one on the S21 Ultra. So Samsung is going to use a superior cooling system on the S22 Ultra, which is needed because the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 heats up quite a lot. So with a better cooling system, we can expect better sustained performance from the S22 Ultra. He also said the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra will both have a peak brightness of 1750 nits, which is going to be the highest on any smartphone ever. It's also gonna have a sustained brightness of 1200 nits. That is already higher than a lot of flagships' peak brightness. Samsung is also gonna equip the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra with 45 watts charging speeds. The charger is not gonna be in the box as usual. You'd have to buy it separately. But this time, the 45 watts is gonna be much faster than Samsung's 25 watts. And that means it's also gonna be a lot faster than the previous 45 watts charging speeds. We also have a Geekbench leak of the Exynos powered S22 Ultra, and it's quite confusing because it shows a 4x4 core cluster. Now that's a cluster Samsung uses on its mid-range devices. It doesn't make sense to use it on a flagship. Also, Exynos recently said the Exynos 2200 is gonna have a 134 core cluster just like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So I would say take these scores with a grain of salt. Anyway, that's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.